All right, today we're going to bring a kid's electrical vehicle. This is a four-wheeler, up to 8 years old. All right, so it's believe it's from 4 to 8. So check your manual, check just to make sure, and always parent supervisions always has to be monitored for this kind of usage. So we're going to put this together and let you guys see the process on it. But another thing is that you got to put it together, and then it comes in a box like this. It's a little heavy, so just be aware before you actually start moving it around. So we're going to put it together and see how it works and see how it looks. All right, now that we set everything up, you got to marry these two lines here, right? So just be careful. There's a clip. Marry them and you're active, all right? Now, once you set this up, you don't have to open it no more. Just make sure that you cover it up and keep kids away from this area. And the seat has a screw. If you ever need to replace a battery, you're gonna have to need the screw to unscrew here. And that's pretty much it. Lock it in place. And we're set up. Now we're gonna turn it on so you guys can see the color effect and the light effect. All right, for the remote, it's gonna take 2 AAA batteries, all right? Just make sure you do that. And you have to unscrew the actual back for it, right? So that's another thing you have to do. All right, first time turning it on, hit the power button here. And the whole thing lights up, right? So we got the remote here. And in the remote, if your kids can't drive, you can always drive it yourself. So we're gonna show you guys what I'm talking about. So reverse, forward, forward, reverse, and left, right, left, right, left, right. Speeds, you got the speeds. More, faster. That's pretty much it. So we have all the light effects. Let's show you what else is in there. All right, so here we got sound effects.
It's good to walk. A forward group of penguins at a zoo in Japan.
Now, this is forward. This reverse.
Forward.
Right now we have 100% battery. Shows you battery in here. We got modes to go forward. That means you could program it to go certain things. So we're gonna turn that off. Lights.
Turn on the lights.
We're gonna show you how it turns on all the lights. All right, let's go ahead and show you that. Look at this. Turning the lights on here.
Turn off the lights.
Turn off the lights.
Turn on the lights.
This is one light right here that you see. I'm gonna show you the front ones too. So you're riding at night. This is perfect. Look at that. So we got the lights set up in here with a little flag too. So just make sure that this is going to waste your battery. So if you're going to use LED lights, it's going to waste more of the battery. So less time riding. All right. Just be aware. So now that you know the modes, I'm going to hit off lights.
Flicker. Turn off the lights.
Well, turn off the lights. Now, if they want to step on it, it's here. Reverse.
Backward.
Here. Forward.
Forward.
Here. And that's pretty much all the modes. It's very simple. It has a lot of safety features, including parent supervision, which is going to include this remote. So let's give it some kids and see how it looks.